1944. A physicist stands before a packed hall and asks a forbidden question. What is life?
Schrödinger, the father of wave mechanics, lecturing on biology?
Exactly the scandal, and that little book changed science forever.
Tonight, order, entropy, and a crystal that carries a code.
Dublin, 1944. A physicist stands before a packed hall and asks a forbidden question. What is life?
Schrödinger, the father of wave mechanics.
A quantum physicist, lecturing on biology?
Exactly the scandal. And that little book changed science forever.
Tonight, order, entropy, and a crystal that carries a code.
Here's the puzzle. The second law says everything decays toward disorder. So why doesn't life?
Schrödinger's question precisely. A rock crumbles, a gradient flattens. Yet a living cell holds its order for decades.
It looks like life breaks the law.
It doesn't break it. It pays the law in a very special currency.
The currency?
Negative entropy. It feeds upon negative entropy, Schrödinger's own words. Using Gibbs and Boltzmann's statistical physics, he wrote it as an equation. K log of 1 over d. Orderliness drawn from the environment.
Wait, that's Prigogine's dissipative structures.
30 years early, Schrödinger heard the drum before Prigogine named the dance. Then his boldest prediction. Heredity, he said, must live in an aperiodic crystal. Ordered like a crystal, but non-repeating so it can carry a code.
9 years before Watson and Crick.
And both credited this little book for pulling them into biology.
A physicist deduced the shape of DNA from thermodynamics. But Professor Physics builds order from disorder. Statistics, averages, trillions of molecules behaving.
True, yet life runs on a second principle. Order from order. A single molecule's code copied faithfully generation after generation.
2 mechanisms, 1 universe.
The clockwork and the crowd. Life dances to both rhythms at once. And the epilogue. Schrödinger, a devoted reader of Schopenhauer, who called the Upanishads the solace of his life, ends his science book with Vedanta.
His conclusion?
The plurality of consciousness is illusion. Atman equals Brahman. The West's greatest quantum mind arrived, where Nataraja was always standing.
Life is the dancer. You are the dance.